guys, Eyewall is now east of St. Augustine, Florida. As you can tell, it is completely crazy out here right now. Trees are going sideways. Gusts are every minute. Oh, very strong gust. This is like we're getting hit with a Category 1 hurricane. Tell about 15 minutes ago I did a video and it's completely changed. I mean, to where it's just really windy out here. These trees, I can get in here. Craziness. Screen keeps getting wet. Screen's getting wet. Woo. Some strong gust. There's another one. Is that a bird? Is the bird really chirping? You got the craziest birds in our neighborhood. Screen is. That bird is still chirping. What is wrong with that thing? I guess it's having fun sitting there swaying back and forth. And then blow the little thing out of there. Alright guys, 4:30, St. Augustine, Florida. Hurricane Matthew is parallel with us, 25 miles off the coast. Y'all be safe.